Hello, I'm Jacqueline Chimadula, a student at Music Resource Academy. I've been a member of the HEAS Children since 2014. I have benefited a lot from being a member of the HEAS Children in partnership with Petit's Music Delmont. In 2017, I had an opportunity to participate in a cultural education exchange program in Spain, where I got a lot of insight on how people across the globe interact with each other in various art sectors. Through that partnership, I also had a chance of having good education from the scholarship that was granted to me by the Petit's Music Delmont through Music Resource Malawi. Through that experience, now I'm able to do a lot of things. I'm able to teach people of different ages. I'm also able to play in a band where at the end I got money, which is helping my everyday life. Thank you.
Petit's Music Demon has been a great partner for Music Crossroads Malawi in a way that it has imparted a lot of professional skills to both Music Crossroads as an organization, but also at individual level. We have benefited a lot from the professional trainings that were offered by Petit's Music Demon in several areas. We have noticed we've had exchange programs between our kids, they are HEAS children kids, as well as kids from Spain, who have shared various skills amongst themselves, in particular the musical skills. But also at professional level, we have been attending professional trainings in choir conducting, singing, as well as sight reading that were offered by great musicians from Petit's Music Demon.
Hello and greetings from Music Crossroads Malawi. My name is Gayai Matthews Mpone and I am the director of Music Crossroads. I am very happy and pleased today to be part of this important occasion where Petit's Music Demon is launching the new foundation. Music Crossroads has been very privileged to be in a partnership and cooperation with Petit's Music Demon for the past years. And during the period, we have carried out a number of activities together as a partnership where we have been able to train teachers who are teaching young people music. We've been able to exchange our culture through the international exchange program of young people. We have had our young kids from Malawi going to Spain, staying in Spain and performing in the different schools, sharing culture, Malawi's culture, African culture, as well as a Spanish culture or Catalan culture. This has been very enlightening. The impact has been huge because our children are exposed now. They have seen how the schools, how democracy, how life is like in Spain, and they are able to take those lessons into their homes and households when they come back to Malawi. And this opening up of their horizon in terms of how they view life is a life-changing event, and we don't take it for granted. In addition to that, we have benefited from the computer program where Petit's Music Demon has mobilized the computers, and our children in Malawi are able to learn, to access educational material through the use of these computers. And in addition to that, even new programs have been introduced because of the availability of these computer facilities. The approach has been quite holistic because even the schools where our children are learning, they have had some gaps in terms of sanitation facilities at the schools, leading to dropping out of school for most of, especially young girls. And so through Petits Musiques du Monde, we have built toilet facilities. We have trained young people from the primary schools around, Music Crossroads, such that now we have reduced, dropout rate of young girls, in the schools, which is very commendable. And this cooperation is an important cooperation, and we hope that, with the new foundation, it is a new chapter that is being turned, and we will continue to collaborate with Petits Musiques du Monde and continue to impact on the lives of our young people in Malawi, as well as the young people in Spain and the other partnering countries like Music Crossroads Zimbabwe, as well as Music Crossroads Mozambique. We wish you all the best during this occasion, and we are with you in spirit, and we look forward to working with you more and more in the years to come. Thank you and congratulations.